My journey so far as a Lemurian student has been very beneficial in every respect, but most noticeably with my financial situation. Before I began the Lemurian studies, I had had little or no success in handling my funds, and my financial outcome was often somewhat uncertain. At one time, it was necessary for me to file for bankruptcy after several failed attempts to achieve the financial balance I needed to make. After this experience, I enrolled in a money management program that proved to be very helpful in resolving my financial obligations at that time. However, it was only after I became a Lemurian student that I learned to see more of the spiritual aspect of money, and I had to consider whether my expenses were really needs or wants. This awareness helped me to develop a deeper value consciousness in my shopping experiences. I learned that the handling of money was more than keeping track of financial transactions, and I began to see a deeper, more spiritual part of the process. For example, taking time to think of ways to be more kind and thoughtful of others and their needs led me to make fewer unnecessary, impulsive purchases for myself. As time went on, and as a result, this new economic realization has had a snowball effect in an overall stabilizing of my finances and my life. Today, I enjoy a kind of financial freedom I did not have before. Now I have established a savings account, and my spending is under control, as well as my overall economic condition. Most of all, this new attitude concerning spending has brought peace of mind, which for me is indeed priceless. Maintaining a Lemurian view of finances has truly made a difference in my life.